honestly, first impressions are the most important. And how do you make a great first impression without a great scent? That's why that's my number one tip in making yourself more memorable, is coming up with a signature scent. And actually, Dossier has a host of scents for you to try and figure out which note fits your personality and what type of impression you want to leave. I love citrus and vanilla, so that's why I chose that. So make sure that you look at their list to see which notes fit your personality. So the first thing that you're going to need is a signature fragrance. And I've got the perfect one for you. And you gotta get it from Dossier. This one that I'm trying is the Orange Blossom. And when I tell you the scent is to die for, beautiful notes. We've got orange blossom, black currant, hazelnut, vanilla, tonka bean. So they're like, it's giving you a fragrance that pulls you in, that captures attention, but just light and feminine enough. And that's what you're looking to become more memorable. So if you want to enter a room and leave an impression on everybody and have everybody asking, who's that girl, then you've got to check out Dossier.com. And when I tell you, you leave an impression, you leave an impression. You'll have folks asking, what's that scent? Who's that? As you walk in and out of a room. So it's perfect. And of course you love the bottle. But once you spray those areas, the pulse points, that's all you need. And this bottle will last you so long. It comes to leaving a flirty and feminine impression. The Orange Blossom is the perfect one for you. It's got citrus notes and vanilla notes, and they're just enough with a hint of edge that will leave an impression as you walk by someone, and it'll have them turning their head wondering who you are, and it's a memorable scent. So if you definitely want to leave an impression and you want to be remembered, you've got to check out Dossier. They've got a number of scents that actually remind you of designer scents, so you can compare, contrast those scents and those notes, and be sure to try it out. Let me know what you think. I love coming up with ways to become more memorable without saying a word, and this is the perfect way. I actually have a coupon code below for you to try this specific perfume, fragrance, and a host of others, and it gives you a percentage off. So make sure you check out that link and try Dossier. So do me a favor and follow me at StyleBySheena and visit SheenaAaron.com. Later.